everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be again an unboxing video, and I hope you're also very excited because I am very excited about this. I just received this box from Schuco, and inside I'm going to find an extremely exclusive and a very strictly limited package, which is Schuco's collector's box. And I just cannot wait to open the box because you see it's untouched. I thought that would be the best if we can just do this together. So please join me and let's check out what is inside. I'm absolutely prepared, so I have my cutter. Let's see what is inside then. A lot of protection. And then in the big box, a tinier box with already a very cool sticker. As you can see, I still play with cards and I just love this statement because it is just so true. Open the tiny box. Inside the tiny box is more protection. 1 and 2. Inside is the black bag. It feels like a cotton bag. Yes, exactly. Oh, nice. I love that already. Look this. Inside of this bag, I can find this cube, which must be a notepad, I would say. And then, oh God, this is so cool. This is a T1 Volkswagen bus. And you know, the first generation Volkswagen transporter from 49. I'm going to open this very soon. On the box, as you can see, it's a piccolo size, which means 1 to 90 scale, so it's really tiny. That's why it's piccolo, and it's a very cute name actually. Super small size, and Schuco have been producing this very small sizes since a very long time, so it's not really a new thing from them. And this 1 to 90 scale is just totally adorable. Okay, what's next? Here we can find a cool sticker. I think I'm just gonna put it on my phone, that's 100%. There's a pen in here, 2 catalogs, a 1 to 64 catalog, and the other one is the piccolo catalog. And then I can find a microfiber cloth. So this is a cleanser basically for, I would say it's really perfect cleaning your model cars because this sticky dust is always all over the place. So I think it's nice to touch up. I mean, personally, I'm always using my makeup brushes. Okay, I have some brushes for this case, but makeup brushes are the best, I have to say, to clean the models. And this is also good for I would say screens and glasses and so on. But let's talk a little bit about this tiny piccolo model here. So I will just open now the box. Oh, it's so cute, isn't it? And just have to take out this. Cool, nice. So let's see. The tiny thing is really rolling on the wheels, and it's really heavy. So I would say it's also perfect for weighting your documents once maybe you want to keep it on your desk. And as I'm always talking in the case of Schuco about the quality, I have to say in this very tiny scale they also presenting a really perfect quality, because this tiny thing also having a perfect paint, and it's very detailed in this mini size. Also the wheels are rolling, and also the tires are real rubber string, so you can actually pull them off. So it's very cool. So I just find this a very nice idea from Schuco, surprising the collectors with this kind of limited edition surprises. And if you want to order this package online, it costs like €29.99, so it's nearly 30 euros. So check it out online. It's very limited, so maybe you have to hurry if you really wanted to have it. But I think it's a really cool thing, and I'm happy that we could do this together. So I really just wanted to do this tiny video video unboxing with you guys. That was it for today. I hope you like this tiny unboxing with me, and please don't forget to subscribe for my channel and also follow me on Instagram, and I'm going to come back very soon, and until then, please take care. Bye.